Slow draining in your sink or tub is usually caused by crushed or kinked drain pipes messing with the flow, and it's way more common than you think. So, first off, if your drain is slow, check under the sink or around the pipes for any weird bends or dents that look like they're squished or bent out of shape. Sometimes pipes get crushed because stuff got shoved in tight spots or from shifting in the walls. If you can, gently straighten out any kinks or replace that section of pipe if it's totally crushed. Another quick fix is to use a flexible drain snake to clear out any gunk stuck near those problem spots. This helps water flow better. Avoid using harsh chemical drain cleaners since they can make plastic pipes brittle and cause more damage over time. Also, try not to overload your pipes with grease, hair, or food scraps because that stuff builds up and slows everything down. If you're renting or not super handy, snapping a few pictures and sending them to a plumber can save you a ton of guesswork. Keeping an eye on your pipes and catching these issues early helps avoid major repairs later. One of the biggest mistakes people make with slow drains caused by crushed or kinked pipes is ignoring the problem until it turns into a full clog or leak. Fix this by inspecting your pipes regularly and acting fast at the first sign of trouble. Another common issue is using chemical drain cleaners, thinking it will clear blockages quickly. This actually weakens pipes over time, so stick to manual tools like drain snakes instead. Lastly, many folks don't realize that improper pipe installation or cheap materials can cause kinks and crushes in the first place. Make sure you hire experienced pros who use good quality plumbing supplies to prevent these problems. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners trying to find trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff and get the job done right the first time. It also helps contractors connect with people needing their skills, making it super easy to grow their business without the hassle.